Hello everyone, Kalila Clark here, one of your equine product specialists at Pulse Equine. And in today's webisode, we're going to be talking about solariums. A solarium is a structure with a system of high output infrared lights that provides red light therapy. And what this does is that the light penetrates into the underlying muscle to stimulate blood circulation, which increases the rate at which your horse's muscles can absorb blood sugars and expel lactic acids. This in turn improves the muscle's elasticity to help prevent and recover from injuries. And so solariums are often used before and after exercises to help warm up and prepare the horse's back muscles and to recover after the exercise. In more therapeutic uses, they are used during crucial recovery periods. Infrared light has been seen to promote vitamin D production, so this helps aid in several issues such as wound healing, arthritis, sprains, and edema. So that makes solarium therapy actually pretty beneficial for horses. But there are some differences that I like to point out between solariums and PEMF therapy. The first thing I like to mention is that solariums are stationary structures. They are built into ceilings, usually over a wash stall or barn aisle. They can be built into horse trailers to make them more portable, but of course that can become a lot more expensive. But most PEMF devices are portable, so you can take them pretty much wherever you go. The second thing I like to point out is that because solariums are built into the ceiling, they do target the pole, the top of the neck, the top line, and back of the horse. The light, unfortunately, cannot reach to the sides, the underside, or the legs of the horse, so it limits the ability for the lights to actually work in all areas of the horse. PEMF devices, however, can reach anywhere on the horse. And the last thing that I like to mention is that solariums are targeted to the superficial layers of the horse. They affect the muscles and the capillaries to improve the various issues that they're marketed for. But with PEMF, we reach to the cellular level of the horse. So we are able to go into a much deeper level to optimize the body. However, solariums and PEMF can be used in conjunction with each other. They are a great therapy regimen to use, especially with the consultation with your acting veterinarian. Many therapeutic centers actually have both of these modalities in their services. They complement each other extremely well and are very effective therapies for helping with many issues in horses. But PEMF does set the bar of being the most versatile wellness tool out on the market. I hope this gives you a great glance into solariums, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.